Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you're here for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show how to make this beautiful double color design. I'm going to use a different stitch in this video tutorial today. So please watch till the end and also share your comments in the comment section. Now without any delay, let's get started. I have taken 5 strands of silk thread, and along with that I'll be using needle number 10, my regular crochet hook. So I'm going to start from the right side facing on top because the knot has to go on the wrong side. For the chain base, I will work 2 chains and a single crochet. That's what will be the base for this design. So I'm fixing the knot here, then 2 chains and a single crochet. So we'll continue the same thing till the end. So here I have finished working the 2 chain base. I worked till here and now I am going to turn the fabric and we'll work back on the same base. So I'm going to make 5 chains after I turn the fabric. And then this is if we wind it once and then make the stitch, it's going to be double crochet. The same way, if we wind it twice, it's going to be treble. But what we need for this one is 4 loops on the hook before we go in. So I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'm going to work 1 stitch here. So when I come out, just going to pass from first to the next 2, the next 2 and then 2. This is how it should look. And then we'll work 2 chains and double crochets. So I've worked 10 double crochet stitches here. So after working 10 double crochets, I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the very next block. So this is how it should look. And then we'll work 3 chains and 1 single crochet. We'll have to skip the next block. We are not doing anything in this block, and in the next block I'm doing 1 single crochet. So from here I'll again start the chains, chain 5, 4 and 5, and then 2 and 3, winding 3 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Passing from first 2, then 2, 2 and 2. Now chain 2 again and 10 double crochets. So after 10 double crochet stitches, I'm going to make one single crochet in the very next block, 3 chains. I'm going to skip the next block and then work one single crochet here and then continue the same pattern. So I finished working the complete step. Now I'm just going to leave about 3 to 4 inches long and trim off the thread here, and then pull the loop that's on the needle, and then we'll make a knot to fix it. So right now what we are seeing is the wrong side. So what I'll do is I'll face it to the right side. We'll just fix this knot first. Trim the excess. And then I'm going to join the second color, but I'm going to join it from here, this point. So go below any double crochet here. This will glue it in the end, this knot here. So now the knot is fixed. Our next working space is this one here. So I'll start making the long stitches, like winding it 3 times. So this is 1, 2 and 3. And then there is this chain space. I'm going to go in there and then start pulling from the first 2, the next 2, 2 and 2. Now I'll make 2 chains and work 5 double crochets. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now we'll make our next long stitch in the same place. Each time you will have to pass the loop through 2 loops. Continue the same pattern, 2 chains and 5 double crochets. So we'll repeat the same thing again. Long stitch, two chain stitches and 5 double crochets. So I've made one more petal here. So in total we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to fix this right on top of this green part, just using one single crochet, and then we will continue the same thing. One long stitch which will act like a base for the petal. We'll do 2 chains and 5 double crochets. So continue 3 more petals the same way. So I finished working the petals. Going to trim the excess thread and then we'll knot it. So here is the finished look of this design. It looks very pretty even though we have not tied any tassels. It's completely thread work and no beads also used. If you want, you can use beads here in the in between this, or while working 5 stitches here, you can reduce the stitch number to 4, and after 2 stitches you can add 1 bead and then work 2 stitches. So of late my customers don't want any beads, so that is why I am kind of trying these kind of designs which have no beads at all. If you want, you can incorporate beads. There's nothing, not that you cannot, it's up to you. So if you're wondering about these other designs that you're seeing on the screen, I will link them all in the I button, and don't forget to check that. So if you have any queries and requests, please reach me on my WhatsApp number listed in description box. Also let me know what you think about this design in the comment section below. So I guess that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep sharing our videos with your friends, and also connect with us on our social media. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.